Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone, in this question they have asked that when tertiary butyl chloride is reacted with sodium iodide which produce tertiary butyl iodide. So here they have asked that why this reaction is not favorable SN2 reaction. At the same time they have asked that why we are going to get precipitate in this reaction. So now let me write the reaction first. Here it is tertiary butyl chloride when it is reacted with sodium iodide which produce tertiary butyl iodide, that is, this is tertiary butyl iodide. This is our product in this reaction. So here they have asked that why this reaction is not favorable for SN2 reaction, because here this group, that is tertiary butyl chloride, is very large group. At the same time the incoming nucleophile iodide ion is also large group. So during the reaction what happens, the steric hindrance takes place between the reactant as well as nucleophile. So as a result of this, it is not going to favorable for SN2 reaction, because both tertiary butyl chloride and iodide ion are large group. So steric hindrance appears during reaction. That is why this reaction is not favorable for SN2 reaction. So in this question they have asked that why we are going to get precipitate in the product, because as I told that here the incoming nucleophile, that is iodide ion, is also large group. At the same time the substrate, that is tertiary butyl chloride, is also large group. During the reaction what happens, here the steric hindrance is going to be appears. As a result of this, the reactant is not going to completely convert into product. So in the product what happens, we will get some impurities. Those impurities are formed in the form of precipitate. So here the right answer is, here the reaction is not completed. This means that the reactant is not completely converted into product, because of steric hindrance between tertiary butyl chloride and incoming nucleophile, that is iodide ion. As a result of this what happens, some of the reactant is going to be present in our product in the form of precipitate. That's why we are going to get precipitate in this reaction. Hope you found the video useful to you. Thank you.